This video will take you through the installation of the chime module for your Netatmo Smart Doorbell if you have a digital chime. Please watch the installation video for the Netatmo Smart Doorbell to follow the steps leading up to the chime module installation. Turn off the power at the main circuit breaker before installation. This will keep you safe during the process. Remove your chime cover. If your chime has an electrical terminal block with 2 terminals for power and several terminals for different doorbell buttons like the one shown in the picture, your chime is digital. On your chime, identify the wires coming from your power supply, here in red, then identify the wires coming from your doorbell button, here in blue. Loosen the terminal containing both a power wire and a doorbell wire. Then connect these 2 wires together outside the terminal block using a connector. With an extra wire, connect this now empty terminal to the terminal containing the second doorbell wire. Make sure the wires are properly secured by gently pulling on them. Connect one wire from the chime module to the first power terminal on your chime. Note that there is no polarity in the circuit, so you do not need to worry about which wire you choose. Then connect the second wire from the chime module to the second power terminal. Make sure the wires are properly secured by gently pulling on them. Once the wires are connected and secured, check the chime module's configuration. To do so, make sure the selectors are in the 1 low position. Put the chime cover back on. Then stick the chime module next to your chime using the 2 stickers on the back of the module. Congratulations! You have connected your digital chime. You can now continue with the installation of your smart video doorbell.